Hello everyone, welcome to the Office Excel course. In this section, I will introduce format cells. Setting format cells is very important in data processing. There are many types of format cells in Excel. I will explain them in detail. Firstly, let me show you how to set the format in Excel. To adjust the format of the cells, right-click the cell and click Format Cells to choose the needed format. Or you can press Ctrl+1 to set it. Also, you can quickly adjust the format in the menu bar. Next, let's learn about each type of format cells. Number format can adjust the display of the number of decimal places. Currency format and accounting format can add currency symbols to numerical values. Accounting formats line up the currency symbols and decimal points in a column. Enter the date in Excel. Use the English horizontal bar or the slash to separate year, month, and day. Then the date can be automatically identified. Various display types can be adjusted in the format. The date has a corresponding special numerical code. When the date is displayed in general format, it will be displayed as a string of numbers. This number is the number of days since January 1st, 1900. Time format also has a corresponding numerical code. Enter time in Excel. You can choose the display type in the format. Percentage format multiply the cell value by 100 and display the result with a percent symbol. Fraction format can convert numerical values into fractions. Scientific format will be displayed as a few powers of decimal e plus 10. Text format cells are treated as text even when a number is in the cell. For example, when the content in the cell is 2019, October the 17th, Excel will automatically recognize it as a date type. If it is a text format, it will only be treated as a text, and it will not be calculated when we calculate the date.